Welcome to the channel, where it's all about retro and vintage x86 computing. Whether it's hardware, software, like this add-on for Windows 3.1, whether it's going over projects in that closet to my right that I'm still working on. This office is not done yet, by the way, but when it is, it will be all about reviewing this, talking about other YouTube creators who cover this sort of stuff. If I'm like, hey, this is kind of cool, you might want to check it out. Point that out too, because they came before me in terms of this. But the purpose of this channel and of RetroX86.com is kind of bring smiles back to people's faces. Do you remember your first computer? Mine wasn't entirely considered vintage at the time, but it would be now. Do you remember what operating system was running your first applications? Did you primarily use it for games? Even if it was simple, stupid games that were meant to be educational. There are plenty of people out there who did. I remember running Windows 3 on computers at school, or rather they ran those. And we didn't even begin modernizing that stuff until I was about ready to get out of high school. It was toward my later years that they moved up to Windows 98, and they still networked using Novell NetWare. Wondering if they still use something like that today. I'm not sure. But things have been interesting for the last few years. And now people are more interested in the vintage stuff than ever before. Whether it's old games, old applications, old devices that can be used on older systems, you name it. It's kind of made a resurgence, and digital museums have popped up all over the place. And those are some of the things that we're going to explore here, because that's the kind of thing that I like to do. And I am looking forward to telling all sorts of stories. I'm looking forward to hearing some of your stories. What was your first computer? Or what was the first computer you ever used? When did you get your first computer? That sort of thing. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the content on this channel. Soon I'll be able to live stream, and I may create some live streaming projects every now and then. It's going to be slow going at first. Got a couple things going on, like getting this studio set up completely. It's getting there, but it's going to take a little bit more work. And I will see you all later.